My friend tell me that I must get a life, that I am the one, but still wait for something that will never come, cause it ain't not a thing. The future is now, it's starting now, it's so far. I realize that I still have just what I love and longing for another time. Would you believe that you will know my name, singing a song that is sky your mind? Trust in song that you realize, waiting goodbye to the lonely nights. If I can be king, you can be part of my dreams. My friend tell me that I must get alive, something that will happen.
That way, what?
You still got to go over the stump. It's best to go this way because that's at an angle. You don't get a run at the next one if you go that way.
Well, I'm not going to get past the stump anyway. I ain't even going to try the stump.
You get past the stump, go right over it.
Show me how you do it. I want to see you do it.
You go up?
No.
You try.
No. Dan isn't going to try.
Dan said he'll try.
There's only one part that's bad. That's the fucking stump in that. It's fucking. That's a fucking 1.5 or 2 feet fucking hole. Go for it, Tobe. I want to see it.
It's really muddy and slippery.
He what? Anchor fucking tell me go for it. He's gonna go for it. Check it out. Go, Tobe. Show us the Maico Panama shit.
Made to the first part. Yeah, go for it.
That's it. You won't make it halfway.
Yeah, this way.
Huh?
Try that one.
Again.
What do you want to do
I'll
on the
bet
go?
you you don't make it to that first tree.
The first tree's like at the top of the thing. You mean that one?
Are you gonna do it?
You gonna try?
Yeah, you gotta make it fun.
And I want Dan to try too.
Dan, you know what? What you don't see is right there around that turn is a fucking 3-foot fucking hole.
Correct.
And there's only one way to go through it, that's straight over the top of it.
Yep.
Like fly over it. The last time we came up, it was just like that. Just dry.
It's pretty easy when it's dry.
Cause you ain't not a dream. The future is now. Starting out a chance so far.